Is there anything called ideal food, or is there any food that satisfies all kinds of nutritional needs? There is no such food, but there are some foods that are so nutritious that they are called balanced foods. This means that they are able to supply most of the nutrients to our body. Experts in the United Kingdom have listed 100 foods that have the highest nutritional value out of 1,000 foods in the world. In today's video I will mention the names of the top 15 foods from there. Number 1. Almonds and walnuts. These two types of nuts are ranked first, the best source of fatty acids. Almonds are a very good food to keep the heart healthy and control diabetics. You can eat 10 to 12 almonds and walnuts regularly. Number 2. Sugar apples. It contains natural sugar, vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin B1, vitamin B2 and potassium. Number 3. Marine fish. Marine fish contains protein, carbohydrates, fat, minerals. Salmon, tuna, anchovies, sardines, etc. Marine fish. Number 4. Chia seeds or linseed contains a variety of dietary fiber, protein, vitamins, linoleic acid and phenolic acid. Number 5. Sweet pumpkin and sweet pumpkin seeds. Sweet pumpkin and its seeds are a good source of iron and manganese. There is no shortage of nutritional value of sweet pumpkin, whether raw or ripe or of any race. Number 6. Dried coriander leaf powder or fresh coriander leaves or its dates are very nutritious. It contains nutrients to protect against digestive problems, cough, chest pain and fever. Number 7. Beans. Beans contain protein, carbohydrates, fiber, minerals and soluble vitamins. This will help you grow taller. Number 8. Red and green cabbage. All types of cabbage are rich in nutritional value, but red cabbage is a little more nutritious. Also, the amount of calories in Chinese cauliflower is very low. Number 9. Spinach. Spinach is a good source of magnesium, folate, vitamin A, beta-carotene, calcium, phosphorus and iron. Number 10. Pepper. Raw peppers or chili powder contain a variety of phytochemicals such as vitamins C, E and A. It also contains a variety of phenolic ingredients and carotenoids. In addition, different types of peppers such as jalapeno. Raw peppers have antioxidant-like nutrients. Number 11. Mint. Mint is a herbaceous plant that basically keeps the heart well. It contains antifungal and antibacterial ingredients. Number 12. Lettuce. Lettuce is rich in nutrients, as fresh as the nutrition. Number 13. Banana. Different varieties of bananas contain antioxidant, antimicrobial and anti-diabetic ingredients, which is very good for health. Number 14. Tomatoes. Both raw and ripe tomatoes are rich in nutrients. Ripe tomatoes contain potassium, vitamins A, C and E. However, raw tomatoes are more nutritious than ripe tomatoes. Number 15. Pomegranate. Pomegranate is rich in anthocyanins and antioxidants. Also contains anti-inflammatory ingredients. Here are some of the top 100 foods: ginger, sweet potatoes, figs, dried date, carrots, broccoli, cauliflower, oranges, etc. If you like the video, subscribe to our channel and like, comment and share the video.